Alright, so in iPadOS 26.1 Beta 2, they brought back one of the most beloved features that they got rid of, and that is slide over. Yes, it's back, but I want to show you guys how to activate it and where it is surprisingly not. So as you can see, jumping right into settings here, there is nothing under multitasking and gestures. When you scroll in settings to look, you have all your same gestures, and this is probably why we missed it initially in our video on Monday. But if you were to look here, this is all the same. Now, one thing, if you want to bring back slide over, and for clarification too, if you guys don't know what this is actually now going to work alongside with all of the window-based iPadOS multitasking functions. So you can now have multiple windows open and still swipe over to quickly access a slide over app. So for instance, if you wanted settings here to be your slide over app, you can do this one of two ways. You can pull down from the top and go into here, and depending on how you have your settings configured, using this green button here, it will allow you to resize it, and it'll ask you how you want to resize it. If you have it set up like I do, that's not going to work for you. You're going to need to go into settings, window, and then as you can see right there, yes, it is back, slide over, and it'll give you two options here. You can slide over to the left or right side. So let's go ahead and say we want to move this over to the right side. You can see how it changed the panel here, and it is now going to stay there. If you were to jump into your App Store app, you can see it is still right there. You can obviously resize it as needed, as you want. If you want it tiny, you can do so. And then let's say you want to go ahead and open Apple Music. Well, guess what? Slide over is still there, and you can obviously flick it to the right side, left side, however you want. It is here and working yet again. As you can see at the bottom here, one of the other changes that was not relatively new to iOS 26.1 Beta 2, but we didn't talk about it. We did say it in our actual iOS 26.1 Beta 2 video, but we didn't talk about it here too much. You now can actually, while you're listening to music, let's go ahead and expand this, you can actually swipe on the track that's playing to go forward and back for an easier way to toggle between tracks instead of the other toggle option to the left. Duplication, but a option is always good to see here nonetheless. Now, the only other thing I wanted to let you guys know about in this quick video today is that there is now external microphone support on iPad. There's an option to adjust input gain when using an external microphone. So if you're a content creator or have a reason to record audio via a separate mic to your iPad, that is now baked in here as well. And really the only last thing I want to talk about is how this has been performing. So we've obviously been using this just for a couple days, and as you can see, everything is running pretty good. Let's go ahead and open Clash. This always takes a second to load and then reload, but yeah, there's an update available. You can see just how quick it's flying through. We'll go ahead and say update. While that updates, let's go into the Stocks app. I've had no issues here at all. It has been very smooth and very fluid. Battery life, I do have to say, might be a little worse here than what I was getting on Beta 1, but it's ever so slightly, if that. As far as when to expect another release, actually, this should be coming within the next week and a half or so. It's possible we even do receive this next week, just depending on how quick Apple wants to push this out. There's rumors about the new M5 iPad Pros, and I would assume iOS 26 would be being loaded on that. Or I should say iOS 26.1 will be loaded on those for when they come out. So just something to keep in mind here. Again, resizing, everything's working great. Slide over is back. Let me know what you think. How happy are you that it's back? Thumbs up this video, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.